Hello, fellow traders. I was looking at our Facebook group, and somebody was saying what's the next trade and if the crash is happening. Um, well, I don't know to answer if the crash is happening in the markets. I do know when turning points are based on the IA tool that I've been using it for the past few years. And it's pointing out to March 17th. So Bitcoin just pointed out the trend into March 17th. So that means we might look a move up for a few weeks. Um, Now, what was funny about it is we have the first weekly at 98. We have second one 108. I mean, we had one at 105 and 108. Then we have one at 138. Then the next one, it's a million. And I'm like, wait, seriously? Can it be a million? Yeah, a million 56. I saw it. I mean, it's just wild number. But hey, this thing was $200. So I doubt it's gonna reach that. But think about a lot of people are moving money outside of Europe, especially. They're not moving it through gold. They're afraid of tariffs. How are we gonna take the money out? Maybe Bitcoin? I don't know. I'm just saying it was a good entry point. BTX looks good. MicroStrategy looks good, but hey, I was wrong before many times. I will update for the private subscribers. I'll show the VIX, I'll show the MicroStrategy and arrays in Bitcoin. But this is just for the folks out there who are not subscribed. Just be careful. Do your own research. I'm not advocating to hold anything. I'm just saying I'm looking at the numbers. We had a turning point, touched the reversals. This is turning up. So, hey, good luck.